Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Crystal. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and choosing to clean with me today. Today's video is going to be all about the kitchen, and we are starting off by unloading the dishwasher.
You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is coming out from the streets. Oh, so soon we'll be blessed with summertime.
Now that all the dishes are put away, we're going to go ahead and load up the dishwasher with the dishes that are currently in the sink.
Maybe it's the thrill of the spring, maybe it's loving. Nothing ever happened, I'm still waiting. I close my eyes, imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something.
Now I'm going to go ahead and clean the sink, and one thing that I've been doing a lot lately that I haven't been doing in the past is taking a hand towel and drying out the sink. I used to just let the sink air dry, but I noticed that it would have like the little water stains left behind, and I like it a lot better after I dry it with a towel. Another thing that I really want to get is the barkeeper's friend. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers using that in their kitchen, and I love the way their appliances come out after they use it. I'd also like to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit more about my channel. So on my channel, I do a lot of mom life videos as well as cleaning motivation. I did kind of fall away from doing cleaning motivation for about the past month, and I was really focusing on doing a lot of day in the life vlogs, which I really do enjoy. I'm getting a lot more comfortable talking to the camera, so I definitely want to do a lot more of those types of videos. So I have come up with a schedule that I am hoping to keep. It's a very simple schedule, nothing fancy. On Mondays, I will be doing cleaning motivations. On Wednesday, I will be uploading a vlog, and on Friday, I will be doing either a grocery haul or a shop with me.
Maybe it's the thrill of the spring, maybe it's loving. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring, maybe it's loving. Do you hear that? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring, maybe it's loving. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something.
And now it is time for me to do the one task that I cannot skip out on every single day. I must vacuum my floors. I have 2 large labs and 1 little chihuahua, and all of them shed like crazy. And if I miss one day of mopping or vacuuming, the floors look terrible.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one?
Now I'm going to mop the floor, and as you can see, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner because I did run out of the Swiffer wet jet solution. I have been using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner a handful of times to clean the floor, and I think that it does a perfectly fine job, but it does use up the solution really quickly. So I did go ahead and order a Target pickup that included the Swiffer wet jet solution. And while I was mopping, I did notice that my cabinets were getting a little bit dingy. So after I mop, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my cabinets. And if you guys are still here watching, please go ahead and leave me a little ladybug in the comments. I would love to know who has made it this far in my video.
Someone else I would, and like all of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the
Alright guys, so that is it for this video today. I hope you guys made it all the way until the end. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope this video gave you guys a lot of great cleaning motivation this Monday morning, and I hope to see you back in a couple of days in another video. Bye!